My name is Brian Grant. I'm the Director of Flight Operations here at American Robotics. Today, we're going to be demonstrating the Optimus Drone-in-a-Box solution. This system can be deployed remotely, not co-located with any pilots or operators, and can be used to gather data for many different use cases. The Optimus system is enclosed in a solid steel box. This box creates a weatherproof environment for the systems inside, which allows the system to operate in extreme hot and/or cold environments. The Optimus system features a weather station outside the box. This weather station measures rain, wind speed, and temperature. These sensors give the remote operator the ability to understand the weather that the aircraft will be operating in. The weather station also houses several cameras. These cameras give the ability for the operator to see what is going on around the aircraft and the box itself to make sure safe operations can occur. This is the Optimus aircraft. The aircraft weighs 26 pounds. It's roughly 4 feet in diameter, tip to tip. It is based off of a type certified aircraft, and it has the ability to deploy a parachute if needed. Our type certification, in conjunction with our Kestrel DAA system, allow us the ability to apply for and be approved for beyond visual line of sight waivers from the FAA. So what you see here is the aircraft has now been raised to the top of the station. It is now gathering GPS solution and running through its pre-flight checklist. Once the GPS and the pre-flight checklist are gone through and the solution is good, the aircraft will deploy on its mission. Upon completing the mission, the aircraft returns to base. As you can see, the aircraft is going to be hovering over the station and will descend. The lid will open up and the stage will rise. The aircraft will deploy a resting system and is winched down by the aircraft to a precise landing spot on the stage, which helps it land in adverse weather conditions. We see now that the aircraft is lowered inside the box and the robotic arm is taken off the payload. The payload is put onto a docking station, which can house up to 9 different payloads. As an example, some of the payloads can be LiDAR, can be high-resolution cameras, or EO/IR sensors. The Optimus system is the only drone-in-the-box solution that offers the ability to swap payloads and immediately take off on another mission. The robotic arm also swaps the batteries. It would remove the battery from the aircraft and put it on its charging station. There are 11 different charging stations, so we can have up to 11 different batteries that can be swapped to perform the daily operations. There is also a slot dedicated to discharging the battery, which maintains the state of health of the actual battery. The box incorporates an environmental control system. This system maintains a constant temperature inside the box, regardless of the external climate. Now we're inside of our OCC, or our Operations Command Center. And this is where our remote pilot, or operators, can oversee and monitor the system as it's performing its missions. So once the payload is actually placed in its docking station inside the box, that's when the data transfer happens. The data is uploaded to a system called Insightful. From there, any stakeholders can access the data.